Hi friends, it's Miss Taylor from the Putnam County Public Library. Today I'm going to show you how to make your own bubble solution and bubble wands. So you'll need a bowl for mixing and a spoon to stir, and then you're going to put in these ingredients. First you'll put 1 cup of plain water, then you're going to add 1/4 cup of sugar, and you'll stir that in until the sugar is dissolved. Once the sugar is dissolved, you're going to add 1/4 cup of dish soap, like Dawn or a similar kind of soap, and you'll mix that together and your solution is ready. You can start playing with it right away, but it will work actually better if you let it sit for a little bit and mix up. So if you don't already have a bubble wand, you can make your own out of a straw or a pipe cleaner. So this one I made, I bent it into a square because it has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. And this one, this straw, I'm going to make into a triangle. It has 1, 2, 3 sides. So to hold my bubble wand together, I'm just going to use a little bit of Scotch tape and put it on the outside. Oops. I'm going to try it again. Sometimes it pops open. There we go. Put some tape around it. Ta-da! And there is my bubble wand. So I'm going to try out my bubble solution here. This mixture is really nice because it makes very big bubbles if you do it carefully. If you blow very gently and slowly, you could make some pretty big bubbles, or you could make some little bitty ones if you blow faster. Ta-da! So have fun blowing bubbles, and if you want to send pictures or videos, you can share them underneath this post on Facebook or tag us anywhere else on social media. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.